Okay.
And Bumbu took up papayas and I catched it.
Yes. And where did you find the papaya, Vaela?
I found the papaya right in that tree.
Yes, where?
Over there.
Oh, that's a papaya tree.
Yes.
Wow.
And we have a lot of papayas trees.
Okay.
So follow me.
Yeah, follow me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's follow Vaela Vunidilo. And she's going to show us about how she harvested the papaya. Okay.
So this is another papaya.
Okay.
Too much ripe.
Okay, so that's another. Wow, there's lots of papayas. Vaela?
Yes, because right we planted.
Okay, so.
And there's another ripe one, but
Oh.
it's not too ripe.
Okay, there's another one. Where?
Right
Show us.
here.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, there's another ripe banana. It's papaya bumbu. Bull everybody, we have Vaela here. Oh, Vaela, where are you from?
I'm from Namosi.
Oh, Vinaka. And what's your name? Tell people.
Vaela.
Vaela. And how old are you?
I'm 7 years.
You're 7 years old. And tell us, how did you go and harvest the papaya, Vaela? What happened? Tell us.
So we pick up papayas. Bumbu sort of the idea to pick up those red papayas, and we picked it up. The first try was good, but the second try it was too bad. And Bumbu picked it up, and I was the one who catched it. Well, I didn't catch it really. And we have red papayas. There's another one there broken. That's the one Bumbu poked it. And this one was a good one, but that one is too broken.
Do it.
Too broken. And this is where
Okay. So let's follow Moana. She's going to take us to the papaya tree.
I'm number one. I'm Vaela.
So she said she's not Moana, she's Vaela. Okay. So she's going to take us and show us where she got the papaya tree. Okay, go for it. Go, keep going. Okay. Okay, so she's pointing. Okay, there. That's the papaya tree. Okay. And then what happened? What did you use to bring it down? Okay.
Because like Bumbu couldn't twist it nicely, and it was taking her too long to take out the papaya.
Okay. Oh, Vinaka.
And there's another papaya. There's two papaya trees. One right over here,
Okay.
and another one like a medium one right over here.
Oh, nice.
And we've got another like
Oh,
papaya tree.
yes.
Three papayas right over here.
Nice. Very good, Vaela. Okay, come over here and say hi to people because there's lots of people watching. Bula vinaka malini, bula vinaka tau. Yes, this is the this is the papaya from from Namosi. The papaya from Kandavu didn't work well.
And this is the papaya. This is new ripe papaya. We picked up from the Namosi papaya. Well, if you guys want this, we can just wait for you guys to come here and pick this quickly.
Yes.
This doesn't look good.
Yeah, but it looks sweet, yeah? Yeah, tell people what you ate this morning.
I ate papaya.
Yeah, and was it sweet?
It was kind of not right.
Yeah, but did you finish it a little bit? Yeah?
Yeah, I finished a little bit.
Okay, finish a
This
little
one
bit.
can go alone.
Yeah, but we can wash it and then we can cut it nicely, yeah? Yeah.
Bumbu, can you hold this?
Yes, I can hold it. Okay.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, so, yes. So you want to take us to the other papaya tree, the one that Tutu was going to name it after you?
Okay.
Okay. Bulavinak everybody, we are here with Vaela Vunidilo at our farm and she's going to take you around on a tour.
So I'm gonna show you guys everywhere this type house.
Okay, so we'll go inside the cassava patch.
And this is like a forest.
This is a forest. Nice. Nak everybody, mbula mbula Dia lambula la via, kero se biko chingona vimbuni. Okay, so tell us about your papaya tree.
And this is my papaya tree.
Nice.
It's kind of small.
Yeah, but they're growing.
Yeah, it is growing.
Yes. Yeah, it is growing. There you go.
I'm gonna show you around. You can hear the river.
Oh,
You can hear it like.
Wow, there you go. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you around.
Okay. And you have to tell the viewers that what did you do in the morning? Where did you go?
So at
You
the
went
morning,
swimming?
I go to the river
Yes.
and I learn how to swim.
She learned how to swim.
And I knew.
Yes. Bula bina ka riba ngwa kata. Kero seba kero mbeti uto papaya.
And there's a lot of plants.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you where it goes, but not all the way to the river.
Yeah, not all the way to the river. So you're gonna invite people to come? So what would you like to tell them? Here, stand there. Come over here. Stand on the rock.
So I'm standing on the rock, and it looks not wet.
Mhm.
I'm the one who's wet.
Okay. So tell people what's the name of your teacher?
My teacher's name in class 2 is Mr. Mani.
Mr. Mani. Oh, Vinaka. And what lesson do you enjoy at school?
Maths.
Oh, you like maths? Wow. Bule Vinaka Winnie. So when you get older, what would you like to be?
A doctor.
Wow, she wants to be a doctor. Yeah? So Vaela wants to be a doctor. So in the future, when you come to a hospital, you might see Vaela there as a doctor when she's going to be a big girl. Yeah? So what would you like to tell the children next year when they go to school? What should they do at school?
They should keep still.
Keep still, right. Keep still and listen to the teacher?
Yes.
Right, okay. All right. So what about people who want to visit Namosi in the future? What would you like to tell them? Is it a beautiful place?
Yeah, it is a beautiful place. This is the house.
Okay, so that's the house. Okay, she's pointing at the house. So there you go. You're welcome to visit us at the house. Bulibina kachochi, bulare, bulakrosibina. And tell us about the rock up there.
The rock
Mm-hmm.
up there, when somebody comes over there, they just gonna be scared.
Yeah, is it beautiful to you to see every morning?
Yes. It's kind of beautiful.
Yes. Yeah? And when you sit on the veranda, what do you see out there?
I see mountains and I see papayas,
Nice.
grass and the sun
Oh,
and clouds in the sky.
Vinaka.
And I see Calypso running around.
And who's Calypso?
Our cat.
Oh, Calypso is our cat. So those of you who love cats, you're welcome to come to Gasaudrau Farm and see our cat. Is she a nice cat?
Yes, she's a nice cat. But she don't follow me. She just follow Bumbo.
I wonder why.
Because she loves someone.
Oh.
Because I don't feed her and only Bumbo feeds her.
Yeah, I spoil Calypso. She eats a lot of fish.
Well, I'm the one who always spoil my best friend.
Yes, there you go. Yes, binaka bakalem. Bula binaka everybody. Thanks for watching from the farm. And anything else you want to share to our viewers?
I want to show you around the house.
Oh, okay. There you go. So she wants to show you around the house. So this is a special tour, and this is one of our last live before the new year. Next year, how old will you be?
I'll be 8.
8, the big 8. Whoa. It's gonna be tall, yeah?
Yes. Because next year I'm going to be class 3.
Right. She'll be class 3. Bula everybody. Nakana sar chikumai to all our viewers. This is Vaela. And her...
If you're watching this, please come to
He said, please come tomorrow. Her mom is from Nasangalau in Lakemba. Bula Lucy Tupua. So she's going to take you on a tour. Okay. So
this is the outside porch.
okay. It's the outside porch.
If you guys want to see my cat, I mean Boom Boom's cat because she always follows She might be outside here because my view was outside.
Okay.
And the baby, she's lying down.
This is.
Oh, she's right over here.
Oh, this is a special tour. Bull everybody.
She's scared.
Oh, she's running away. Oh, it's your voice, yeah? She's scared of your voice. Okay.
So this is my Namosi house.
This is my Namosi house, okay? So the cat is scared. The cat is scared.
If you want to have a tour, so we're gonna give you a tour.
Yeah, we gotta give you a tour.
So this is inside in the house.
I have to turn on the light. It's a bit dark.
Yeah, turn on the lights.
Oh.
I can turn on the light.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, so this, look, Anna, see.
Welcome to the house.
Anna, if you see this, see, look, see, if you come tomorrow, you're gonna have this.
Whoa, tell us what you have.
So we have some candies, and we got some tissues, and it's a pen.
Mm-hmm.
And Anna, if you see this, this is your goodie bag.
Yeah, Anna is a cousin. Anna doesn't know this. Sani.
So these are the grown-up socks.
Yeah, you got some socks.
From big girls, and these are baby socks.
The baby socks.
And we have a lot of balloons.
Lots of balloons. So we're having a party tomorrow at the farm.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm just putting this back because
Okay.
it's too heavy.
So welcome to our house. Yep.
And there's more to show you. And we have bows. We have 3 bows.
Okay.
3 bows.
Well, everybody, welcome to the house. So most of you just seen the house from the outside, but Vaela brought you in. Well, everyone. So tell us about the bows. What did you like about the bows?
Like I like about the bows. Well, the small hairs can't have it. Well, I'm gonna see that when it's time to give the kids some these, I'm gonna be sitting right here.
Okay.
So if you guys wanna see, so we got some scissors. I'm not cutting anybody's hair. Okay, I'm not cutting anybody's hair. Just for opening this. if you
Okay.
want some.
Alright. Okay. So
And these are the sticky notes.
sticky notes. Yeah.
Some small ones. This is the tiny ones.
that's a tiny
and this
one.
one is the sticker book.
Oh.
And this is like for like right here and
Nice.
everything.
Beautiful. I love that.
Yeah, Anna, if you're watching this, you're gonna have this for all you.
Yes.
Yes, Anna, I'm lying to you.
Mm. So Anna is a cousin. She's listening from Namosi village.
And we got some lip oils. These are lip oils.
Oh, lip oils.
And these are lip gloss.
That's a lip gloss. Wow. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite one is this lip oil, and my favorite lip gloss is the orange one.
Wow.
So if you guys want to see the baby stuffs, if you have a baby, you have to come right over here, and you have to take these stuffs.
Yeah.
Well, we are not gonna show you about these undies.
Okay,
for
there's some
girls.
girls. Yep. Okay.
And this is for Anna. See, if you come tomorrow, these undies
That's
are
for
your
Kylie,
brother.
my brother. Yep.
Kylie, brother.
Nice,
This
Kylie.
is not for anybody.
Yeah.
And we got
Nice.
another one for Kylie or for if Kylie
Wow.
wants two.
Yeah.
Anna, if Kylie is watching this, tell him he wants 2 or 1. If you say 2, then 2. So these are the nibs for babies. Where I'm gonna take it out.
Well, everybody, thank you. So there's some, what's that? Bibs?
Yeah, bibs. They can just go.
Wow.
And it's for food to like not go on the
Yes.
clothes, so the babies can be clean.
Beautiful, yes.
So if you have a baby, you can just come all the way here. And
Yes.
if you have a little girl like me, bring her here so we can play together.
Yes.
Because I have some makeup, and if you have a baby girl, she can have this. But
Wow.
it's for my another
Niece,
baby,
yeah.
like a niece.
Her name is Makere.
Yeah, Makere. So Makere, if you're watching this is for you.
Dira Sara, Diela. Yes, everyone is enjoying listening to you, and that's really nice. And you brought us in the house. Usually we don't bring people in the house, but it's nice that you brought people in, and some people can see the house.
So, if you guys want to see my room,
Tomorrow, we'll check your room tomorrow. Yeah.
okay.
Yes.
So
See.
this is the new cabinet.
So that's a new cabinet. So
You want to see what the cabinet do?
yeah. So what do you have in the cabinet? So everyone sees what's in the cabinet.
So this is Boom Boo's.
Makeup.
Yes, makeup. She has a little bit.
Lots of makeup. Lots of cups. Tomorrow we're having a party. She said she doesn't know why Boom Boo has a lot of makeup.
But you have less makeup.
Yeah, I have lots. So yeah, some foundation. So if you're nice to me, if you're nice to Boom Boo can give you some free stuff. Yeah.
Free stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the bowls.
Yes. So the
And
bowls, cups, and ice cream. We're gonna have ice cream tomorrow.
Yeah, and we got some popsicles.
Oh yeah.
Popsicles inside
Yeah.
in the freezer.
Popsicle in the
But we
freezer.
can't open it because it's gonna be hard to close it and see.
It's rolling.
It's rolling.
Yeah, and we have some wine glass because Boom Boo loves to drink wine. Oops, I'm not supposed to say that. But anyway, let's go back this way. We'll take them around, and then
This is the couch. I can test the couch.
yeah,
It's very soft.
very soft. She's testing the couch.
This is very soft.
Yeah,
This is more soft.
and
This one is hard.
yes. Oh,
It's kind of nice.
nice. Oh,
Well, I can't go there. But
yeah.
because of
Okay, we go out through the door and we say goodbye to people, because we're gonna go to the village. Yeah. Oh, and we have some pineapple pie, but we'll have some pineapple pie. Yeah, there you go. Thanks to
There's a lot of
Mercedes.
views.
Yeah, people are watching you. Yeah, okay, go this way. Yeah, mula nakariva ko. Alak ko sar-sar bali.
And see,
Wow, she's running around. Yeah, and we have some special chairs, and you can climb and see more papayas.
yes.
Okay, tell us about the papaya.
The papaya is very good for you. It's
Yes.
gonna make you not sick.
Yes.
And it's gonna make you healthy.
Yes, make you healthy. Oh, Vinaka. So, Vaela, I'm going to turn this around so you can see you. So, what do you want to say? Are you going to say goodbye? What do you want to say to the viewers? Thank you for listening.
Yeah, thank you for listening, and thank you. And I was like happy to show you around the outside porch.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is the outside porch,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm happy for you guys to see all that makeup.
Yeah.
Because if you have a daughter, you know, yeah, like you can bring her, and she can have like all those goodies.
Right, Vinaka. Vinaka Wakaleo.
Well, it's only one each.
Yeah, only
If
one
you
each.
want three, no. If you want three, $300.
$300. If you're from Kandavu, it's $300. Yeah? Yeah, okay. Vinaka. Yeah, mother, say bye to everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, Vinaka, mother.
Mother.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Mwah.